Morning. Good morning, children. Welcome to EVS online class. Today in this class, we are doing new lessons. That is lesson number 3, food we eat. See, in your textbook, page number 177. Page number I am showing here. See, page number 177, food we eat. Okay? Open the textbook, page number 177. When do we eat food? Tell me, children, when do we eat food? We eat food when we are hungry, isn't it? So, we eat food when we are hungry. So, all living things eat food. Like humans, we, animals, plants, birds, insects, these are all living beings, isn't it? Yes, all living beings eat food. Why food is important? Tell me, why do we need food? Why food is important? Why do we need food? Yes. Tell me, why do we need food? Why food is important? Why do we need food? Yes, we need food to live. So, without food, we can't live. We need food to live. Isn't it, children? So, without food, we can't live. If you are hungry, you will ask your mummy, "Mummy, I am very hungry. Please give me something." Yes, isn't you are asking? No. So, without food, we can't live. Food is the basic need of all living beings on this earth. So, food is basic need. Basic need of all living beings. So, without food, we can't live. So, all living beings on this earth. Okay? See, even plants and animals also. So, if you not pour the water to plants, then what happen? Plants will die. They also need food. Isn't children? Yes. So, this is the food. So, food is basic need of all living beings on this earth. So, it is very important. Without food, we can't live. So, food gives us energy. All the food, whatever we are eating the food, so all the food gives us energy to work, to play, to go to school, to do other something. Isn't it, children? Other activities. So, food gives us energy. Food gives us energy. To play, to work. So, to go to school. Before coming to school, so mommy will feed you, isn't it? So, you will eat breakfast and you will drink milk. You finish all your morning sessions, food. That means breakfast and drinking milk, everything. Then only you will come to the school. So, it gives us energy. Food gives us energy to work, to play, to go to school and to do other some activities. And food help also to grow. So, and it also help. What? It also help to grow. So, it also help to grow, okay, and remain strong and healthy. If you ate the food, then you will be healthy and you will be strong. If you want to do some work, then you have to get energy now. So, where will get that energy? From food we get energy, isn't it, children? So, food help us to grow, okay, and help us to remain strong and healthy to fight against diseases. So it helps us to strong and healthy. It helps us to become strong and healthy. To fight against diseases. Okay? So, fast food gives us energy to work, to play, to go to school, to do some other activities. And also food help us to grow, and also it helps us to become strong and healthy to fight against diseases. Okay? So, there are many kinds of food. So many kinds of food. See, all this food, where we get? So, we get food from plants and animals. All the food where we get food from plants and animals. So, we get food from plants and animals. Every day you are eating variety of food dishes, isn't children? All this food where you will get? You get plants and animals. Food we get from plants and animals. So our food sources are plants and animals. The sources of food, where we get this food? So from plants and animals. The sources of food. What are the sources of food? So where we get this food? From plants and animals. The sources of food is plants and animals. Let me see one by one in detail. Okay? See. We get many kinds of food from plants. Let me see from plants. Which are the food we get from plants. So we get many kinds of food from plants. Okay? Let's see. One by one. So, first we see plants. Many kinds of food we get from plants. We eat plants or plants, parts of some part of plants as a food. We eat directly as some plants and part of some plants we are eating as a food. So, we will see which part of plants we are eating food. Okay. So, now parts of plant. So, parts of plant we eat. See, directly we are eating some, we eat plants or parts of plants as a food. Directly plants means like leafage, spinach, then coriander leaves, curry leaves, methi leaves, we are directly using as a plant. So, and some other parts of plant means cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, as we are using as a part of plant. Okay. So, we are using plants directly, some plants too, and parts of plant we are using as a food. Directly plants means like now I told no. curry leaves, methi leaves, spinach, coriander leaves. These are all we are using directly as a plant. And parts of plant means, see, cereals, pulses, so fruits and vegetables. Okay, these are all the part of plant. So in a plant, we are seeing pulses, fruits, vegetables, cereals. We are using as a part of plant. Okay, under this cereals, so we are using, which food we are using? See, like rice, jowar, ragi. Isn't children? Every day you are eating, no? Mummy will make rice, jowar, ragi balls and wheat. Mummy will prepare chapati, puri. Isn't it, children? So these are the parts of plant we are using as a food. Come to pulses. See, pulses means mummy will make sambar, no, using moong dal, chana dal, black gram, then tur dal. These are all dals as a pulses. Okay. So here moong dal, chana dal, then tur dal, then black gram, so etc. So come to the fruits. You know very well. Tell me the fruits name. Yes, apple, mango, orange, banana, grapes. You know all the fruits name. Then come to the vegetables. See, potato, tomato, then brinjal, carrot. Isn't children? So many are there. See, we are using the plants, some parts of the plant we are using as a food. We are eating. Which are these? Cereals, pulses, fruits and vegetables. Under these cereals, which are the food we are using? See, rice, jowar, ragi, wheat. Every day mummy will prepare for breakfast, chapati. They are making from jowar and wheat. And for lunch, she will prepare rice. Isn't it, children? And evening, some homes they will make ragi ball. Isn't it, children? So these are all the, where we get, these are all cereals we get from parts of plant only. Then come to the pulses. Without curry, we can't eat anything, isn't it? No? So mummy will prepare sambar, moong dal, using moong dal, chana dal, tur dal, then black gram, then gram dal. So these are all, she will make sambar dal, isn't it? So using these are all pulses, she will prepare sambar, rasam. Isn't it, children? Yes. So where we get this from? We get from only by plants. And then come to the fruits. You can see fruits we will get from plant only. So apple, there are different types of fruits. Apple, mango, orange, banana, pineapple. So many fruits are. These are also fruits we get from plant only. And some plants will give vegetables, some plants will give fruits, and some plants will give vegetables. So potato, tomato, brinjal, lady's finger, so carrot, these are all where we get? From plants only. So we are using plants as a food. Some parts of the plant also we are using as a food. So these cereals and pulses, we get energy, lot of energy. From these cereals and pulses, we get a lot of energy. So from these two, we get lot of energy. So fruits, we get vitamins and minerals. From fruits and vegetables, we get vitamin and minerals from these fruits and vegetables. So, vitamin and minerals. So, from cereals and pulses we get a lot of energy, and using fruits and vegetables every day we get vitamins and minerals, and also these fruits keeps us healthy. Every day we have to use fruits, to eat fruits and vegetables, that keeps us healthy. We keep healthy. Okay, so many uses are in plants. So plants, we are using some plants directly we are using, and part of some plants we are using as a cereals, pulses, fruits and vegetables. Every day we are using. So under cereals, all these things. So we are using cereals, pulses, we'll get a lot of energy, and using a fruits. So vitamins and minerals we will get from using fruits and vegetables, and also we get healthy. So keeps us healthy. Fruits and vegetables keeps us healthy. This is about plant. So are you understood? So we eat the uses of food. Okay, what we eat, the uses of food. So we get, where we get this food? So we get food from plants and animals. Some plants we are using some plants as directly, and we are using some parts of the plants. So this is about plants. Okay, are you understood now? So we recall it once. Yes. See, why do we need food? So we need food to live. Without food, we can't live. This is the basic need of all living beings in this earth. On this earth, isn't it, children? Yes. The food gives us energy to do work, to play, to go to school, to do some other activity. So, and food also help us to grow. Food also help us to grow and remain strong and healthy. It also help us to remain strong and healthy. See, all this food where we get? We get all these food from plants and animals. The sources of food. The sources of food is plants and animals. So we will see which are the uses of plants. Wow. Which food we are using as a plant? See, directly we are using plant as a food, and some parts of plant we are using as food. See, directly means you are eating spinach, coriander leaf, methi leaf. These are all the directly we are using as plant as food. And some parts of means cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables we are using as a food. See, under these cereals, the rice, jowar, ragi, wheat, all these come. Under pulses, dal, moong dal, chana dal, tur dal, black gram. So all these will come. See, cereals and pulses, it gives a lot of energy. So it gives lot of energy. And using fruits names you know, apple, mango, orange, banana, all these fruits, and vegetables, potato, tomato, brinjal and carrot. So these fruits and vegetables will get fruits and vegetable vitamins and minerals we get from fruits and vegetables. And also it keeps us our body healthy. Okay, we are use regularly in our day-to-day life these fruits and vegetables. They keeps us healthy. This is about plants. So we will see next about animals. Which food we get from animals? Okay. And another one point, we eat some food, plants as a raw. So we eat some vegetables raw only. So that means, see, carrot, we are eating raw, carrot, then beans, cucumber, tomato, radish, all these vegetables, we eating raw also. So this also keeps our body healthy. Okay, children. Now come to the animals. Which food we get from animals? So tell me, you are eating weekends in your home. Mommy will prepare special dishes. Isn't it, children? Yes, that is chicken, fish, mutton, egg. Isn't it? Where we get? We get from animals. See, milk. We get from milk, like eggs, milk, eggs, then curd, butter, honey, and some more fish, chicken, mutton, isn't it, children? Prawns, cheese. So these are all the things we get from animals. Okay? These are all the things we get from animals. Milk. Milk is called a complete food. So from the milk we get vitamins, minerals, then all nutrients we'll get from milk. So that's why milk is called a complete food every day. So that too, children, every day you have to drink at least 2 glasses of milk minimum. Okay, so every day you have to drink 2 glasses of milk, because everything will get from milk. It gives us energy, vitamins, proteins, minerals, all nutrients will get from this milk. So where will get this milk? We'll get from animals. Which animal gives us milk? Yes, cow. Isn't it, children? Cow gives us milk. Then come to eggs. Hen. Hen gives us eggs. Then curd. We prepare curd, butter, cheese. These are all things from milk. Isn't it, children? Yes, these are all we'll get from animals. Honey. Honey we get from honey bee. Okay. Then fish. You know, chicken, mutton. Chicken means from hen. Mutton means goat. Isn't it, children? So these are all get from animals only. So which food keeps us healthy and which food help us to grow? That means, tell me, which food help us to grow? Milk. These are all the food help us to grow. Milk, egg, fish, chicken. These are all the food help us to grow. And dal. Dal also. Okay. These food help us to grow. So which food help us to grow? From the beginning only I told, yes, food help us to grow. Which food help us to grow? See this, milk, egg, fish, okay, then meat, and dal, okay, help us to grow. So which food help us to grow? Milk, egg, fish, meat, dal help us to grow. Which food gives us energy? Which food gives us energy? Which food gives us energy? See, rice, chapati, then sugar. We get sugar cane from sugar, isn't it, children? Butter, bread gives us energy. That means some food gives us, help us to grow, and some food gives us energy. Which food help us to grow? Milk, egg, fish, meat, and dal help us to grow. And which food gives us energy? Rice, chapati, sugar, butter, bread. These are all the food help us to, gives us energy. So these milk, egg, fish, meat, it helps us to grow, and these rice, chapati, sugar, butter, bread gives us energy. Okay, so all these food, it's healthy food. All these food healthy. That means regularly you can't use this fish, meat, chicken. Isn't it, children? It is healthy food means you can't regularly eat. By weekly once. Once in a while you have to eat all these food. So you have to use once in a while these, especially fish, meat and chicken. These are all you have to use once in a while. So these food help us to grow, and these gives, some food help us to energy, gives us energy. See, these about from animals. These food about from animals. We in this class we saw from plants and animals. So all the food we get from plants and animals. Which food we get from plants and which food we get from animals. So in the next class, so good eating habits or good food habits, we will see which food to help us to keep our body healthy. How we have to keep our body healthy. We'll see in the next class. Okay. Thank you, children.